Hi and welcome to this new Outlook tutorial. In this tutorial, we talk about the new feature in the new Outlook, which is email templates or OFT files. In the early versions of the new Outlook, this option wasn't available to save an email template directly from the new Outlook as an OFT file. But now Microsoft made it available. They updated the new Outlook and they made it more easy and convenient to save email templates as Outlook files or as OFT files and to share them with your clients, colleagues as templates. So I will show you how to save, even import old email templates and make them as templates in your Outlook. So let's start with saving. To save an email template as an OFT file, you need to go to the File tab here and then pressing on it. Then we will have a couple of options. The first option is Save As, and here you can save it as an EML, which is not editable file, and then send it to the client. And you can save it as a message, but the message is not editable because it's going to have your ID in the email template. And now let's go to the templates. Under the templates, we have two options: save email as a template. And here, if we save it, it's going to appear under our email templates. And you can see I saved these files already. And now they are here and ready to use and ready to be used as templates. The name of the file is the subject line of your email template. You can change it here, it's up to you, or you can keep it. I'm not going to save because I saved it already here, and we will see later how to use it. This is the first way. The second way, we can share it directly or forward directly as a template. Let's go back to File, Templates, Forward as OFT. And let's press on it. And as you can see, we have a new email with our email template as an attachment as an OFT file, Outlook email template or Outlook template. And here you can share it with your clients, you can share it with your colleagues, or you can even press on it and save it as a file, save it on your local drive. This is the first option. The second option is, let me go back to the email template. Um, the second option is to go to this new tab here, which is mail template, and click on it. And then we'll have the same two options that we have already explored: save email as template, forward as OFT. And these two options will do the same things that we just saw. But here we have something extra and it's template settings. And let's click on it and to see what it can do. And here we have the templates that we added. We can remove or download them and maybe share them with people later as OFT files. But the most important thing here, we can add email templates and we can press on this plus add email template button, and then we can choose a file, or we can copy in this path or this link and go to our file explorer and then just press on. And now we are here in the user directory and we can see the templates that we saved or we want to use. This is good if you have already in your old Outlook or in your Outlook templates. You can use them or upload them from here. And the last thing is now how to use these um, templates. So let me close these windows and let me go back to uh, Outlook. And to use these templates, you can go to Home tab, and under Home, you can go to New, and under New, you will have this option, Mail from Template. And after clicking on it, we will have this window, templates, and you can use any one of them. Let me try to use the one that we saw already. And as you can see, it opened a new window with the template. That's how you save, open, share, and import templates as OFT files in the new Outlook. Building such a template is still not possible because Microsoft is still updating and adding more features. Hopefully, it's going to be possible in the future, in the near future, but still not possible. You can go to Word, create your template, and then come back here, save it as OFT, and share it with your client or with your colleagues. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.